Hey, how's it going? I'm Munzer with TopProz. Today I'm going to show you how to install a QR code sticker on your truck. So easy, and Alpaca can do it. Alright, so the first step is to head over to the side of your vehicle, figure out exactly where you want to put it. So we're going to put ours on the side of the car here on the glass. And the supplies you'll need are simple. You'll need a container full of soap and a rag. So you want to peel the corners of the sticker, the entire top section off like this. Just the top. And you're going to spray the glass wet. And you're going to adhere the top of your QR code sticker to the vehicle here and peel the paper off from the back. Hold it flat. Okay. You want to keep this paper because what you'll then do, spray the top of the sticker. We want to get the wrinkles out. So you'll need a credit card. So you're going to take your credit card and the piece of paper from the back and push out the water from behind the sticker. So you see all that water coming out from behind, go up and down with it. And that's it. And once you've squeegeed out all the water, you'll see you have your QR code sticker installed properly. Gonna put the supplies away here. All right, let's go check out the alpacas. Look, that one looks like Justin Bieber. You see how his hair is in his face? Look, he's eating over there. That one's got a nice haircut, you see?
You know they can spit on you.